Hello, hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brittany. I'm a teacher and the TPT seller behind the store Math with Minis. This section of my YouTube channel is called Math Minutes, where I answer a frequently asked question in a YouTube video, and I try to keep it under a minute. My hope is to be that teacher friend that you have that is willing to answer those questions that you're secretly searching on Google, but afraid to ask your coworkers in admin. So let's get right into today's question. If you've been an upper elementary teacher for any amount of time, then you probably know that you have to help your students achieve math fact fluency. But what the heck is math fact fluency anyway? Let me also just say that if you want a more in-depth explanation on this, I have a podcast episode that I will link in the description of this YouTube video. I also have a blog post where I go really in-depth with it, and I'll put that link down below as well. Okay, let's put a minute on the clock. Ready, set, go. What is considered math fact fluency? Well, in simplest terms, it's the ability for people, specifically students, to both accurately and quickly recall the answers to their math facts. That requires us to answer another question. What the heck are math facts? When I talk about math facts in my videos and my podcasts, I'm specifically talking about those facts that students need to know by the end of every grade in regards to addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For first grade, this looks like adding numbers to make a sum of 20, like 5 plus 15 or 14 plus 6. By the end of second grade, students should not only be able to add and subtract within 20, but they should also be able to subtract within 100. So for example, 70 minus 40 equals 30. By the end of third grade, students should be able to fluently, which means quickly and accurately, multiply and divide numbers from 1 to 100. By the end of fourth grade, students are applying and extending that learning to be able to multiply fractions and whole numbers. By the end of fifth grade, students are applying this learning to decimals and long division. Okay, it was a minute and 2 seconds, but hopefully you won't hold that against me because it's my first one. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about why math fact fluency is so important. To answer the question that I usually see, is math fact fluency important? And if so, why? If you found value in this video, I would so appreciate if you would hit the like button and subscribe. And if you do subscribe to this channel, be sure to click that little bell so that you never miss notification of a new post. Whether you subscribe or not, I have a free gift for you just to say thank you for watching this whole video. You can get a free multiplication table printable PDF by just clicking the link that I have in the description of this YouTube channel video. When you click on that, you're going to enter your name and your email, and you're going to sign up for my weekly Math Minute PD, where I send a little bit more good stuff via email. You'll sometimes get a YouTube video, sometimes get a podcast episode, but I send tons of freebies and sales for resources as well. If you'd like to connect with me on Instagram, I would love to hear the questions that you have so I can answer them here on this part of my YouTube channel. You can find me on Instagram over at Math with Minis, or you can come join our group on Facebook, facebook.com/groups/Math with Minis. You can find us at the Upper Elementary Teacher Math PLC.